The inverted hammer came in to save the day. Oh my goodness, I mean, I haven't been sleeping, and I've been watching Bitcoin and what Bitcoin was doing, and literally the weekly time frame, and I even talked about this update into the second part yesterday regarding Bitcoin on the weekly. The inverted hammer is the Spider-Man here. This one, the guy that you see, the green candle. Let me zoom in into this superhero right now, okay? This that you just saw on the weekly. Someone here, this one right there. Just look. That's the train. That's the train, ladies and gents. This was the train right there. You are absolutely on the verge of absolutely going to the downside, to that river, to that bloodbath, to the downside, to near this 34,000 region area. You just saved the day clinging inside there. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Monday 7th of March. And man, what a ride, man. I really need a break here. I mean, give me a break, Bitcoin. You literally have tortured every trader out there today. Like, seriously, what the hell are you trying to do to us, man? You just saved itself, okay? So this inverted hammer actually tells us that there's two combination, okay? The inverted hammer and the fact that you've actually landed that inverted hammer into the support level right there. So now I'm expecting Bitcoin this week to actually have a rally towards the upside, potentially back to the $44,000. So if anyone is thinking that, oh, Bitcoin is going to dump from here, think again, because Monday are not dumpy. Weekends are dumpy. Weekdays are kind of good here and there. They're not really bad. So the next 5 days or 4 days, I think it's gonna be good. And if you're not in the Discord, join me into the Discord. If you guys want to actually trade, okay, I do have a technical analysis course right now. I don't know. I just want to show you this one. Yeah, it's called the Pirate Trader. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. And if you want to know the way I trade, if you want to learn, you guys can go. It's just 29 bucks right now, and you're going to get all these contents. Okay, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video for you to go and watch the details if you're interested in this one. It's $29 for the first 2 weeks until potentially 19th of March. And then after that, it's going to be $49. So be an early bird, get this content. It's absolutely everything that you need to understand as a trader. So back to the Bitcoin chart. We enough with the promotions anyway. So to me, guys, Bitcoin literally was over the edge. And if I dive into the daily, you can see now that the support has been respected once again. And I drew this, support line back like 4 or 5 days ago when I was talking about potentially Bitcoin trying to make an ascending triangle. So basically, you went to the upside, you're coming down here. Look where you find support, right on the money right there. You haven't lost the support. You just bounced off the support, and so far so good, unless today you just don't lose the support, go down, back test and fail, and then you're gonna go to $34,000. You are respecting the support, and you have the inverted hammer right on the weekly right there. This is actually positive, and I've been telling you in previous videos as well that these three, it seems like the three black crows did play out, okay? They did play out actually. Look at that, it played out. But the thing is that it didn't go like the way people were expecting for it to go to down to the 34,000. It just made a very minor price action changing here, like $1,000 price action changed. And literally what I was looking at, I want to dive into the 30 minutes chart, and in the last 30 minutes or some few hours, look at these candles, man. Look at how much this drop went from 39,200 all the way down to 38,000. I mean, it was really frightening the hell out of me as well, that oh, potentially Bitcoin is looking to go down. But what you did here, yeah, is you're now making a double bottom right there. Look at that double bottom, inverted hammer, finding support right there. Absolutely positive, golden for us to actually start to go up this week once again. So I don't think we are going to see any more dump to the downside, unless, of course, once again, if I'm proven wrong again with Bitcoin, it can happen that you just lose this line, back test, and then boom. So if you do see Bitcoin actually going down to 37,500, wait for the retest. It could be a fake out and then go to the upside as well. So you're gonna have to wait for Bitcoin to backtest, fail, and then it's gonna go down, and then we're gonna dump actually to $34,000 for real. Unless that doesn't happen, I'm not actually saying that it's a good idea to lose faith on Bitcoin charts as well. So this was the only update that I want to bring on. So in my opinion, we're just gonna start to actually visit these levels potentially and keep on forming this potential ascending triangle. It's not a very clear one. It's not a decided one just yet, but it's potentially on the journey to make one. Okay, so it's looking to make one big ascending triangle, which has an apex by 5th of May. So it's gonna take a lot of days here. If you do go until the end of the apex right there. And that's it for today's update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.